Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Samsung brand washing machine, 7 kg front loader. This is 7 kg washer and 5 kg dry machine. This one having problem drum not rotating. Actually the problem with the is not washing. While we are selecting any option, drum getting stuck like strucking. It's not rotating. Display through the display is showing timing here and there going, but drum not rotating. It's like a struck. While we are opening door and by hand we can turn, but with the power it's not rotating. This is the problem with this machine. We will troubleshoot the problem and we have to identify what is the exactly problem, and we will go to the next step. And this is the model, this one WD70 J5410AW. This is the model. Now I will show you what is the exactly problem. Now I already given power connection. Now I will show you what is the problem exactly with this machine. Now I given power, I start the machine. Here it's showing 15 minutes direct drive. That's mean spin only the spin cycle. Now I will start the machine. Now you can see here it is showing direct spin. Door already got locked, 1400 RPM. Now you can see the drum still not rotating. Still not rotating. It's showing now it is already decreased time. 1 minute already decreased. That's been showing 14 minutes. Now 13 also came. The problem actually is not occurring any error message. Now you can see here drum little bit moving, but it's not rotating, only the moving slowly. You can see. Now thing is, I told you before, it's timing, it came already 13, now again 14. That's been again increase, again decrease, 13 minutes. And drum slowly rotating, actually is not rotating, it's moving only. Now again you can see here it is came 15 minutes, the same position, again down, it is 14 minutes. Now again it came 13 minutes. It's again increase up to 15. This is the problem with this machine. Actually it's not stable time. It should always decrease by 1 minute, but this one here and there actually it's increasing and decreasing timing. Also drum not rotating, you can see here. You can see here this much only moving drum, but at the same time a little bit moving drum, at the same time increasing time up to 15. But the problem actually is not showing any error message also. If it is showing any error message, we can troubleshoot according to the error. But in this machine, this situation, we have to check the most probably DD stator, direct drive stator and Hall sensor. Now again 13 minutes is showing, and this is the problem actually, not decrease in time. The drum only is moving, it's not rotating. Now we have to check according to our field technician. They know the problem should be the stator, otherwise Hall sensor. Now we will check what is the exactly problem and we will go to the next step. Now we have to check here stator with the Hall sensor and rotor everything. Also we know this is not problem with the bearing, because while we are turning by hand, drum is rotating well. Now we will remove the back cover here. Now here you can see here it is look like, see, in no any damage, no bearing problem. The stator is rotating properly. Now we have to check here connections. Now you can see here connections are available here to connect a motor connector and hole sensor connector. Here no any, here is properly is fixed. Now we will remove the rotor. After that we can find out any damage stator, winding, also hole sensor. Yeah, this machine actually some rust came actually. It is from the bottom only, but body wise, is body also it's okay. I think this one he kept inside the bathroom, because of that might it came corrosion here. Now what could be the reason? We have to check stator. Now this is 19 number socket actually. Now we can take it out rotor. We can take like that. Now you can see here it is windings are not here, we cannot find out. Also hole sensor everything, but first we will remove the stator from machine. After that we can identify hole sensor or winding. We have to check winding continuity and everything. Now we will remove this 6 bolts. It is number 10 bolt we can remove. If it is like this complaints, we have to check properly stator continuity and hole sensor. What could be the reason? It should be actually hole sensor, otherwise stator. Now we are removing. We already remove all the bolts from the stator from the machine. Now we can take it out. We can take it out. We have to remove the connectors, rotor connection, stator connection connector and hole sensor connector. Now we already remove here the winding. We have to check continuity. If any damage, it's look like no any damage, but we can check continuity here. We will remove first this is hole sensor, this one we will remove. After that we can check continuity, stator continuity. Here 2 screws. Now we remove already screws here. We can take it out like that. Here its lock will come here. These 2 locks will come. Without breaking, we have to very careful, we have to take it out. Now we will check the continuity here. Now I am going to check the motor winding continuity, and I should be here. That winding is okay. This is the second one, also winding okay. Also this one is also okay. You can see here 3 windings are okay, no any damage, no any short connection, short circuit. You can check here also, any short circuit here. No, actually the stator is okay. Now we are suspecting only this one, hole sensor. We have to check only this one. That's mean we can check here only this connection, because if it is not connect with this one, sometime we are finding we can find this one short circuit. That's mean it's not continuity. Now we have to check this continuity only. After that we cannot check here whole sensor. Anyway, now we will check this one first. Here it is okay, you can see this continuity is there. Also this one also okay, you can see. Also third one also okay, this continuity okay. That's mean we are, while we are connecting like that, it will come here like that. That's mean this continuity okay. Now this is the whole sensor area connector. Whole sensor we can check like that. But if it is any damage, motor not rotating, now I'm going to do what I can do. I have to change this one and we will check one time if it is okay or not. Now I'm suspecting this whole sensor is not working, that's why motor not rotating properly. Now I'm going to replace the whole sensor. I already ordered new whole sensor here, you can see. This is the new one, this one new one. Now I have to fix this one, very careful. We have to fix whole sensor. After that we will check whether it's working or not. Now I'm going to fix this one. Here the same way we have to fix these two screws. We have to fix here lock, this lock, this lock, it will come automatically here. Now I will do like that. Now you can hear the noise, it's already locked, both locked. It came, it is already locked. Now we can fix these two screws. And we have to tie it properly. And now it's okay. Now we will fix again. Now after replacing whole sensor, now we are going to fix again. Now it's okay. Now we can fix all 6 bolts. Now we already fix rotor, sorry, stator. Now we have to fix rotor and we will check whether it's working or not. Now it should be, actually it should work because I already replaced the whole sensor. Now we will fix and check this one. Now we fix already rotor and stator, also whole sensor new one. Now we will give the power connection and we will check again. I given already power connection. Now I will here power on. You can see here it is already direct spin. Also I will show you, it is if you don't know how to select the direct spin cycle, and we have to come here rings and spin. After that we can cancel the spin cycle, ring cycle. After that it will come 15 minutes. Now again I will start the machine. You can see here again it is already door lock showing direct spin cycle. Now we will check. Now it should be, actually now it is already again it came down 14, 1 minute is decreased the time. Now 13 minutes also came, but still not start to rotate. Now moving, rotating, drum is rotating, my dear. It's a problem with the whole sensor. Now it came up to 12 also. Now times are decreasing properly. Before it's not like that, 13 coming again for up to 15 it increasing. Now it's, I think our problem already got resolved. Yes, it is drum rotating, anti-clockwise is rotating. Now before it's not like that, it's not rotate. Drain pump also working. Now still having 12 minutes is showing. Now RPM here it came to 11. Now increase in RPM. You can see here. Yes, my dear, it is the problem. Actually, we are also confusing because it's not showing any error message. But this is the having it's hanging actually the time increase in decrease in 2 minutes here and there. Now RPM also increasing, machine running well. This is the problem. I already resolved the problem. Now already our job completed. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks again.